Hello everyone, today I'm having an interview on politics, talking about Yoruba's rulership and the Hausas, two dignitaries of Nigeria. Here on my right is Adekunle Bankole. Adekunle, Adekunle is an Yoruba man and is yet. I'm going to interview him some certain questions about Nigerians' rulership. Is it best ruled by an Hausa man or is it best ruled by a Yoruba man? Yes, and here on my left is Alhaji Dankubade Yusuf. Yusuf, yes, Alhaji Dankubade Yusuf. Your take on it. Okay. Nigeria is a very nice country. The whereby if an Hausa man comes to rule the country, we have a lot of benefits. For example, yes sir, we know the like now peace. We are very peaceful people. Can you go? Alright. We'll go over to you, my brother from the Yoruba region. Yeah, what will be your take on both election processes? Nigeria can rule this country very well, better than the Hausas. Because right in the time Olusegun Obasanjo, we don't have any issue like Boko Haram. Hear me? Don't just play with me. If I call the gods of Yoruba land, you don't just deal with me. I will finish you. I take it easy. Come for you. You make me I dey calm down. Well, late. If I dey risk, want to challenge me. As I'm looking at you, I am seeing a cockroach. You I decrease. You I papa I mama I decrease. I know get up sense. You don't know who you are talking to. By the time I call the gods of Yoruba land, you can't hear me. They are coming for you. Just wait there. Well, late. I decision for you. You, I don't kill them. I don't use them for suya. You want to use me for a suya? Well, late. You, I cut them. Use them for suya. I give them for you, show. I will change you to a cockroach and step on you. You can't challenge me. Mr. Wale Adekunle. You wait, I'm just calming down because of you. I'm calming down because of you. By the time we are out of this place, I will show you. Let us go outside. As I was saying, that is how the Hausas behave. They don't know they are in television. They don't know. Look at me. He's lucky I'm in television. By now I would have. Bear me. Guys, please, take it easy. Or there, me, you, or there. That's what you are. Go and ask a Yoruba man and will tell you the meaning of there. Try me and see. Try me. I'm not done with you yet. As I was saying, my fellow Nigerians, Yoruba is a very good participant for the seat of presidency. Yes. I am serious. Bear me. I don't talk with water in my mouth. I don't talk with stone in my mouth. Yes. I'm talking life and direct. Yoruba man is good for the seat. Yes. You can vote for me. I will come for the next presidency election. I know you are going to vote for me. I have my own party, but I have not yet called it. Bear me. My Yoruba people. Excuse me, sir. Relay, I did get them for me. Can I ask you a question? Don't waste my time. Relay, if I divis me, and don't say I divis. No wasting for time at all. In fact, I want to be the next president of Nigeria. This is all I have to say. Try me and see. Try me. I will rule them for country. Well, late. Thank you. That is my case. Alright, yeah. That's all we have for today. Please stay tuned and watch the next episode, okay?